Subscribe to our channel for more information on our software. In this tech tip, we will explore parts in Antero 7. Selecting the parts icon will display parts in Antero. Similar to the equipment section, a grid will appear on the left with a list of all parts with the associated part detail information in the right panel. Deploy the ABC search box to find parts in the grid. Users can click on the grid icon to display only the parts grid. Be sure to see our other tech tip on grids and filters to modify the properties of your parts grid. Navigate the details of selected parts in the vertical application ribbon. View suppliers, equipment associated with the part. Order history will display purchase orders for a part, and transfer parts for parts that are transferred from one location to another. Work history will display historical work orders where the parts have been used. Parts Audit is a new feature in Antero 7 that will display changes to the parts quantity with a detailed description of the changes that occurred. The detail section of the parts record allows for users to add information pertaining to the part, define stocking units, tracking, group the product, select the type of equipment that uses the part. Images can be added and displayed for parts. Notes are available to be added to a part. Flag parts that are ordered in bulk to convert them to the correct units when they are received. Adding and editing as well as removing part stock is easily done from the part stock utility icons. In addition, parts can be transferred from one location to another. Part stock allows for users to attach a warehouse and area where the part is stocked, as well as defining a unit cost and quantity. Minimum and maximum quantities can be defined for a part to flag them for reorder when a quantity falls below the minimum level. You can also see parts that are on order, as well as parts that have been assigned to open work orders. Tracking type is important to indicate if parts quantities will be tracked. A tracked part must have a warehouse and quantity associated with the record. If a part is flagged as untracked, it will not be able to have a quantity. This means untracked parts cannot be added to work orders. Tools will allow for tools to be allocated for work, but the stock quantity will not be modified for completed work orders. The parts icon will provide a list of the current stock locations, product groups, and product types, as well as allowing users to add and edit and delete items from these lists as necessary. To add a part, click the Add icon. The Add Part window will allow a user to define the tracking type of a part, the name, which must be unique to every part, a description, the stock location, area, and related cost information. Reorder options are used in the ordering section of the software. To deploy this feature, you must set a minimum and maximum quantity for your part. Select a primary supplier from the list. See our other tech tips on suppliers and ordering for more information on these features. Users may also duplicate a part's information for new parts by selecting the Add Similar feature and modifying the name of the record as necessary. Deleting a part will permanently remove the record and associated information. Renaming a part is an easy process by clicking the Rename Part icon and modifying the existing name. Be sure to view our other tech tips to learn more about using Antero 7. Visit our website for more information on our software or reach out to us directly.